rich and happy Navaratri. In continuation with Navaratri theme, here is your 9-point checklist with respect to insurance. Insurance is the most important part of any financial plan. But what we have found is that, unfortunately, it is the most misunderstood and ignored area. Here are my 9-point insurance checklist. Let whatever be your age, whether you are married or single, whether you are in any stage in your career, health insurance is a must. Unless you are a richy rich. It comes with many benefits like tax benefit under Section 80D, cashless claims, ambulance coverage, like many. These benefits are great, but it is important to understand what is included and excluded in your health insurance. Trying to be smart, like hiding or misrepresenting facts, will be the most dumbest thing to do while taking insurance. Disclose all facts, including family history, and pay special attention to declaration regarding drinking and smoking. First, compare the features and then premium. Waiting period for existing diseases. Limit on room rent or ICU. No claim bonus. Post hospitalization benefit. Restoration, refill benefit. There are many. Check which suits you. Being responsible, you have bought health insurance policy. But do you know that it needs to be renewed annually for it to be valid? Set multiple reminders to renew policies on or before time. Although most policy providers provide a grace period of a month, during a renewal, you may want to add your parent or a kid for tax benefit. Increase or decrease sum assured as per your current family needs. With rising cost, to protect your family, it makes sense to top up your policy. Top-up insurance plan provides low cost, wider coverage, tax benefit, and most important, mental peace. Insurance regulations and terms may change due to change in company policies or government regulations. Stay informed rather than getting surprised at the time of emergency. It is time to analyze your health and your family's health to make alterations in your policy. If there is any new ailment or illness, you must inform your insurance provider. You will need a policy renewal notice, valid mode of payment, and a policy number. Most important, if you want to change your provider, you can do that without losing any previously gained benefits. Like investments, insurance is also not a fill, shut, and forget product. Increase or decrease sum assured as per your current family needs. It meant to be reviewed. It becomes very important to change your life insurance policy to some degree with every major change in your life. Whenever there are changes in your coverage needs like unexpected disability, divorce, or a new loan, required life insurance needs can be estimated. Take some time out to calculate your insurance needs rather than relying on thumb rules. This is your financial responsibilities and loans minus your assets. This is the amount your family will need to cope up lifestyle and pay off remaining loans. Critical illness and personal accident disability insurance can cover those gaps which cannot be filled by any other insurance. So consider it. Many people are shocked when they think of critical illness. It not only affects body, but it severely affects finances if there is not a right financial plan. Critical illness insurance offers lump sum in case insured is diagnosed with critical illness such as cancer. Disability insurance provides compensation for the loss of income because of the disability due to an accident. Insurance details and documents must be shared with immediate family members.